Hello guys. Here we are for this great double matches. Women double now on your screen. Thanks for watching and joining us. And with the service, they start with the service. The team from Le Mas, with maybe you recognize her, Emeline Lambrecht, with her partner Claire Lefebvre. And they will face on the other side Deborah Alquier on the right side, associated with Océane Kick, who plays on the left side, as usual. So love 15 for this first point. Emeline Lambrecht, who was my first partner when I started paddle. We were in the French team together after 1 year of paddle, and we went to play the European Championships in the Netherlands in the club of La Playa, and we finished second with the French team. That was a great experience, great souvenir for both of us. And as you know, maybe the Mas lost the first match of this game. So the girls have really to win that match. They are a bit under pressure because otherwise they lose the game and they lose the bronze medal. This is the game for the third place. As usual, you know now, if you have any comments, any questions, hi Fernando, ask us, write us on the commentaries below, and we will answer. Oh, that's a bit hard to try that, Emeline. Nice backhand volley there from Océane. And the girl from the Toulouse Paddle Club win the first game, and they make a break directly. One love for the TPC, but now you know you have the live score on the right side of your screen. Welcome guys, welcome to all of you who are joining and watching this live match. Welcome to this European Cup of Paddle Clubs, the 3 days competitions. Great 3 days here. You'll see many interviews we've made this weekend, and all the companies, all the partners, all the players we've had on the interview there, they all say that the organization is just perfect. The players are really happy to participate, to have the opportunity to play against new players, against Spanish players, adapting with the new games, and of course all the staff here from the Casa Paddle is really great, as usual. A great chef too, who cooks wonderful dishes, fresh, homemade and day by day made dishes. Well, in summary, you understood, everything is great, really here, great spirit too. And everyone is really enjoying this time, those 3 days in Paris. And thanks, of course, to all the partners who made that possible. At Venice, Imexport, paddleshop.com, paddlemanager.com. Hello again, Mandy. You told me that You're telling me that you were absent a little bit, you were out there, and you don't know what the first match done. So the first match has been won by the Toulouse Paddle Club, Nicolas Trancard and Yaon Oradou. 1-0 so for Toulouse in this game. Juste un petit mot en français, les jeunes, pour vous dire bien sûr que si vous avez des questions et vous voulez que je réponde en français, n'hésitez pas à me le préciser dans votre question. Si vous ne comprenez pas l'anglais, je le ferai avec plaisir. Voilà. Two love for Toulouse. No, they won in 3 sets the match just before. The Mas won the second set on the tie break 7-6, and then Toulouse won the third one 6-2 or 6-3, something like this, Randy. And now Claire Lefebvre from the Mas with the service. Claire Lefebvre is oh, that's a few big mistakes from Emeline there. Quite surprising from her. So yes, I was saying a few minutes ago that Claire Lefebvre is a physical coach, and she also wrote a book, as Alain Henry wrote a book with Cédric Carité about the paddle. Claire Lefebvre wrote a book a few months ago about the musculation fonctionnelle, physical way for the muscles to work in the good way, in the good manners, and what to do with which muscle. If you're interested by this topic, go and buy this book. You can find it everywhere. It's I think a 4-hard edition. I don't understand, Brandy, what you want to tell me. So it's 3-love for the moment for the Toulouse Paddle Club, sponsored by the European Institute of Chiropractic.
Supera tus límites, confía en tu instinto.
Brandy, you're asking me who are the girls from Toulouse? They play well. Yes, they do. But Ocean Kick is not at all from Toulouse, actually. Ocean Kick is the girl playing at the left side. Ocean is from Bordeaux, and she lives for a few months now in Paris. She makes a stage in Paris. So she's here for 6 months, I think, or 8 months, I can't remember now. But she's from Bordeaux, and she plays this weekend for Toulouse. And Deborah Alquier is a girl who's playing paddle for about more than 10 years, I think, but she didn't play that much before, and she really is now in the paddle for about 2 years. Last year she was playing with Last year she played with Marianne, the French Championships, but this year she was associated with Valérie Pibis. I think you know her, Brandy, from Le Mas, Perpignan. I don't know for next year, as I told you the last match. The World Championships just ended in the Paraguay, and now the Mercato of paddle starts. So we'll see with who Deborah Alquier is going to play this year. Maybe again with Valérie, maybe not. She's on the place, Brandy. She's there. Yes, she is. Yes, Deborah is really now improving a lot. She was playing on the left side before. 2 years ago, when I knew her the first time, she was playing on the left side. But she prefers to play on the right side now, and she's quite good at that place. Oh, you play with Deborah on Monday with Riverola and Felice. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that game. And Deborah is a great girl. Ah, you were talking about Valoche. Okay, sorry. Valérie, who improved a lot too, her game, and she can play on both sides. I think she prefers to play on the right side now. I'm not sure about that. But she's a good player on both sides. 4 love, double break confirmed. For the moment, the girls from Perpignan, from Le Mas, make a lot of mistakes, like this point. First volley on the net. Emeline and Claire are associated as a team for about 2 years now, I think. When I was playing with Emeline, she was playing on the right side and didn't want to go on the left side, by the way. But now she doesn't want to go anymore on the right side, and she plays always on the left side. Good player on both sides too, Emeline. What a croquette! Wonderful backhand croquette from Ocean. 2 break points, Leah is telling me. And I think Leah, after this weekend, she's going to start playing paddle next week. because now she wants to taste that wonderful sport.
Supera tus límites. Confía en tu instinto. Supera tus límites. Confía en tu instinto.
Quite a surprise for me to see that score for this match. I thought it would be a really tight match, more undecided, but yet from the beginning of this match, the girls from Le Mas, from that violin, Emeline and Claire, are making a lot of mistakes too early in the point. And Deborah and Océane made a few great points, but not that much, not that many. Strange match, guys. Tell you, really strange to see those girls I know quite well. They're delivering not a great match for the moment, but I think that can change. As you know, things change very quickly in paddle. Go, 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 go. And you never know. You can lose the first set 6-love and win the match. That's the first break point for the Catalan. Claire is not from Perpignan at first, and Emeline is from the Netherlands. Origin. She has now the double nationality, French and Netherlands, and she can play for both teams, by the way. But she chose to play for France at the moment. And here we are back again for the second set. The girls changed the... I don't know what they changed, but I hope they changed something. The girl from Le Mas. They just lost. They've just lost the first set by 6 games to love. Actually, there's no match on the solo court, but believe me, they can do much better. But I think to do much better, they have to. They have to first of all, like Claire a little bit has done on this point, put some more balls inside the court and make their opponents play and play again. Oh la la, that's big mistakes. Very, very big mistakes from Emmeline there. And you see her gesture here. She's her body language is quite negative. She's really frustrated, getting angry on herself. Because needless to say, maybe you don't know her, but she's never angry at her partner. Normally, I mean, when we were playing together, she was always positive with me. That was great, by the way. But she knows what she can do on the court, and for the moment, she doesn't show at all what she can do. And Claire to her partner, they are not together. But let me tell you that they are going to try, and clearly didn't give up yet this match, and they are going to fight because they are great competitors too. Oh, what a second service from Deborah, and what a return from Claire. Exceptional. Oh, that's going to do good for Emmeline, because this one is really nice barrada, a winner. Yeah, this service was a bit long. This morning, the team of Le Mas, sponsorized by Z Violin, lost against Casa Padel. For the place for the final. And the team of Toulouse. Oh. That's Claire is getting crazy by the window because the ball just fell down as soon as she touched the window. Okay, finally 1 point. A little bit of a fight. Oh! And the team of Toulouse Paddle Club lost this morning against Malaga, sponsored by Vals. And of course, that were the semi-finals. So tomorrow we find those both teams for the final from 9 o'clock on the morning. Of course, on the center court, Casa Paddle against Malaga. Great times to come once again. Great matches. It's better there on the center court, a bit better. Close, but out. But it's closer and closer. To love. I mean, first set for Toulouse Paddle Club, and they are ahead on the set 2. 2 games to love for the Toulouse Paddle Club too. Points in a row. I think it's the first time for the beginning of the match for these girls. Love. Whoa. Here we are. Claire is saying that the windows are very humid, very wet, and that's why, of course, the ball is falling down as soon as it touches the window, and they need a towel to dry them up. I think they're going to send maybe a player or someone to dry a little bit the window because it's all wet. I think the guys before put some sweating on the windows. And that's the first game for the girls from the Mass with that violin. They are maybe now in the match. Told you a few minutes ago it was a bit better. And they finally succeeded to win their first game for this match. That's one of her big quality, Emmeline. Everyone knows about it. She can block the ball directly after the rebound. That's why she had many problems during a time to accept the ball to go to the window and play it after window. That took her a few times, few months to accept to leave the ball after the window and play it after that, because she was so good of blocking the ball just after the rebound. But now she has made a lot of improvements about that. And about Claire, she has sometimes problems to hit the ball hard and make the difference with different speed of playing. About Oceane, that's some problems again with the defense, but a good arm and she can accelerate the ball very much. And Deborah, but the same problem as Claire. She doesn't hurt that much, but plays so well paddle and make no mistakes that it's really hard to win a point against her. That's about the girls on the court. Great smash from Oceane. Easy for her to do those kind of shots. For example, I'm not able to do those kind of smash. Yeah, she tried, Emily. Oh, that was really close once again, but it's good because she showed their opponents that she's here and she's going to fight until the end of this match. And three more break points now to save for the girls from the Mas in Perpignan. For the moment, no real solutions. Body language, which is not good at all. And that shows you how Deborah is alright when she tries those kinds of shots. Really scares from her to accelerate the ball. Like she's really comfortable there to try that.
Supera tus límites. Confía en tu instinto. Supera tus límites. Confía.
Thank you, Papa JC. I remember that. Incredible, yes, with the English accent, as you told me. Happy that you're happy. Making a little bit of fun of me. No problem. Really strange to see Claire making those kind of mistakes with the defense, but from the beginning of the match, she really is not really able to defend properly and constantly. Well done, Oceane. She stick to the at the net. So early that they had problems struggling with the ball. Croquette, Croquette missed. I said Croquette missed because Deborah touched it. And a croquette is a valid croquette when your opponent doesn't touch that ball. Pew! 2 smashes from Deborah on this match. I think it's the first time of my life I see her trying 2 smashes and succeed on them. Guillaume Bachot, you're asking why the team du Cup. You're speaking about your Parc du Cup in Perpignan or another thing? Tell me. You can see often that Claire, her head is falling down when she hits the ball, which is not good at all for the control of the ball. Yes, yes, Emmeline, that's what you have to do, what you have to try. (5-1). 6-0, 5-1 for the girls from Toulouse. Really strange because I really wouldn't have bet that at the beginning of the match, knowing those 4 girls. Ah. (5-2). Maybe it's her first mistake, unforced mistake to Deborah. Maybe one of the few she has made from the beginning of this match. (15-all). Hard times for the girl from Perpignan there. No, really good level this weekend here. This morning they didn't play well after the Melissa and Geraldine played really well. I don't know what Deborah is doing during this game, but she didn't come back from her chair at the change in sides. Really surprising to see her making 2 mistakes in the same game. 30 all. And match point. No, but I think the girls are going to play the game again. The point again. They're going to replay the point because Emmeline was bothered by a ball coming during the point, and that's 30 all again. They replay that point. Same finishing, so match point. First match point. Really surprised by this match. Oh, very lucky return. She apologized. Maybe it's a turning point. And la remontada starts. Deuce, saving a break point. I think Claire will. I think she wants to forget. I think this match, if they, and that's it, ladies and gentlemen. So surprised with this result. 6-0, 6-2 for the girls from Toulouse Paddle Club, sponsored by the IFEC, European Institute of Chiropractic, against the girls from Le Mas, sponsored by Z Violin. Thank you having watched with us this match, and we'll be back in a few minutes as usual. You know about it now. See you then. Thank you guys.